The agriculture and industry has traditionally been considered as two separate sectors as well as their characteristics and their role in economic growth. It has been estimated that agriculture is the characteristics element of the first stage of development, while the degree of industrialization has been used as the most relevant indicator for the advance of a country in a path of development. In addition, it has been stated that the media development strategy is the best way to develop the first stage of that step. However, this opinion has been no longer adequate. On the one hand, it's important to reconsider and revisit the role of agriculture in the development process from the point of view of its contribution in industrialization, and it is important for harmonious development and political economic stability. On the other, agriculture itself has become a form of this industry, a measure of technology, vertical integration, commercialization, and employment, with a remarkable complexity and richness in terms of its variety and scope. This has been reflected in the development of agricultural resources that translated increasingly sensitivity to market forces and is more integrated into the factors of industrial interdependence. Agricultural products are determined by technologies of increasing complexity and incorporate the results of important research and development efforts, and respond increasingly to refine individual and collective preference regarding nutrition, health, and environment. Although it is still possible to distinguish between the stage of production of raw materials and that processing and processing. In many cases, this distinction is blurred because in the complexity of the distinction, the technology, and according in the measure of vertical integration, the industrialization of agriculture and the development of agro-industries, in effect, a common process that a generation a completely new type of industrial sector. This information attempts to examine some of these issues and evaluate the recurrent and potential role of agroindustry in economic development. It begins by analyzing the definition of the sector and examining some statistical data of the economic importance throughout the world. The role that agribusiness can play in the economic development of development countries is then discussed in order to study how the conditions of agro-industrial development are currently changing throughout the world as a consequence of new policies and trade regimes and of evolution in technology as well as the patterns of food consumption. The growing internationalization of agro-industrial operation is highlighted, in particular due to the growing importance of international capital activities, as well as the role of multinational companies in this process. Finally, the elements of the enabling regulator environment to promote agroindustry as ensures that the sector contributes the maximum contribution to economic development are examined.